Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate milk using just three simple ingredients. The first one being chocolate. This is Hershey's syrup, genuine flavored chocolate. Milk. In this case, I have soy milk with 7 grams of protein. And a spoon. Alright, so first what I'm going to do is I am going to pour the glass full of milk. Alright, after you do that, you're going to take your chocolate and open it up. If you have some fresh chocolate, you may have to take the time to unravel the protective coating. And then you're going to take maybe 1 or 2 or 3 tablespoons of chocolate into the spoon and then swirl it around. And as you swirl it around, the milk will become chocolatier. I'm going to zoom in so you can see this. Alright. And I'm going to keep on swirling until I get a chocolatier looking milk. And as the chocolate dissolves, you will have chocolate milk. Let me know if you have any questions.